and I'm coming from Nagpur. I'm riding from Nagpur to Meghalaya. While I was searching for Meghalaya, I found this festival happening in Wangala. So I left all the other places in Meghalaya and first came to see this festival because you might get waterfalls, caves in many places, but the culture, the heritage which we get, they are remaining in very few places. So I wanted to experience that, and I'm feeling very good that I came here leaving all the other places, because this was like really beautiful, colorful, like different colors you get to see here. And then the 100 drums dance, wow, it was a sight to watch. So really I had a very good experience. Plus it's always like with tribals, it is like they are very welcoming. So that is the best part what I like about them. So yeah, it was overall a very good experience.
I am Pranav Basu. I came from Calcutta. My son, who got some project from Indica Pictures to cover the culture and festivals of Garos. So in that regard, we came here and we enjoyed very much. It is a fantastic show and really we love it. It is their heritage. It is their heritage. The people, they live within the shelter of the nature. That is the main thing. And then they are very lovely people. They are very so kind-hearted. So, and they depict their life through this dance, what I understand.
Anga dalon na isimana parak na skinga, nga New Development Bank ni true, NDB ni true, ni tourism ko develop katna, Meghalaya State kembakon nga crore chas ni project ko matnaha sanction job, ya crore chas ni oni, ya biapna nga design rang ko tharing jok architect rang, aro building rang ko kembak ko nga tharimang rekemang total crore ko nga sanction ka ahaina. Aro crore kengci nga building rang ko rekemang committee ni member rang nan nga pakwat ke ni ko chalaina.